Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate your WooCommerce store, beginner guide step by step clearly. First, ensure you have a WordPress website set up. Log in to your WordPress dashboard. Navigate to the plugins section in the left sidebar. Click on Add New. In the search bar, type WooCommerce. Once the plugin appears, click the Install Now button. After installation, click on the Activate button. WooCommerce will start a setup wizard automatically. Follow the prompts to set up your store's location, currency, and other basic settings. Next, add your products by navigating to the Products section. Click on Add New to create your first product. Fill in the product title and description. Set the product data, including price and inventory. Once you have entered all details, click the Publish button. Next, configure shipping options by going to the WooCommerce menu. Click on Settings, then select the Shipping tab. Add shipping zones and methods that suit your business. Set your payment methods under the Payments tab in the same Settings menu. Choose the payment gateways you want to enable and follow any prompts to set them up. Now, customize your store's appearance by going to Appearance and then Customize. Modify elements like header, colors, and font. Once satisfied, click on Publish to save the changes. It's important to test your store before launching. Make a test order to ensure everything works properly. Finally, when ready, promote your store through social media and other marketing channels. Congratulations, your WooCommerce store is now activated and ready for business. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.